y'all. There's this pattern, right, that I've been doing where like I start the vlogs off and then I start rambling immediately, and it ends up being like a 5-minute intro. So I'm just gonna start again and say hi, good morning, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. Can't believe we are halfway through Vlogmas. Like seriously, I can't believe it. Speaking of Vlogmas, I just wanted to put this out there, and I know I mentioned it before, but just in case you guys haven't seen that video, the content that I have out right now is not the content that I want to post. I had intended to be happy-go-lucky, free, zen, creative, you know, just creative freedom, and I wanted to pour so much into Vlogmas, but work has been chewing me up. It has been such a challenge, and work on top of my current medical situation, those two major aspects in my life have been really eating at my anxiety and my mental health. So I am trying my best to keep the promise I made to myself, which was to post every day every day through Vlogmas. And I'm doing just that, but it's not the content that I initially wanted to post. So if you look at my thumbnails for my videos, like if you look at my past videos and now, like you'll see it's just off. It's not me, but I am keeping the promise that I made to myself to be consistent. So I'm going for consistency over perfection. And I'm just doing what I got to do to, like I said, keep that promise to myself. But anyways, just wanted to put that out there. I will try, now that I'm actually going through and working through some of the things that have been making me very anxious at work. I'm hoping that you know, alleviates some of my stress and then gives me back some of my creative freedom so that I can be a bit better with my vlogs, aesthetically at least. But that's that. I am about to have a mini rant about this whole medical process and, you know, dealing with my health care. So we about to rant. I just wanted to give that disclaimer because like I said, I started the intro and then I realized I was rambling for like 5 minutes. So I'd rather give you guys a disclaimer, and then you have the option of skipping over this section if you're not interested in finding out why I'm upset with what's going on with me medically right now. So of course, I'm not going to give you guys details into my health and into my medical history, but I am going to talk about the process of being tested for something that could potentially be life-changing. I did that on Friday. On Saturday, the system automatically released my results to both my doctor and myself. And of course, because my doctor doesn't work on the weekends, she's not able to go through my tests and properly explain to me what they're seeing and what my next steps are. So I, being the anxious, inquisitive person that I am, I become Google Dr. Google. And Google tells me that I have a risk of certain things, right? Like there's things that how should I put this? Google basically tells me that I'm gonna probably have to have surgery in order to live the life that I want to live, in order to, in my opinion, be healthy. And that's scary, right? That's scary. Google's telling me I'm going to need surgery, and, you know, there's no guarantee that I'm going to be living like a normal person. So that in itself is scary. My doctor hits me up this morning and she's like, they've released your test results. Please schedule an appointment, so a telehealth appointment, so that we could discuss next steps. I'm like, okay, cool. Let me go into the portal, try to get these, let me try to get, you know, my appointment ASAP, because I want to know what I need to do to make myself healthy. You know, what are my options? And It's telling me that she doesn't have an appointment, a telehealth, a phone, a virtual appointment. She doesn't have that until a month out. First of all, at what point did the system change? Because I know back in the day, maybe it could just be my medical group and their procedures, but back in the day when I used to get a test result, the doctor would call me up and tell me, hey, Tahita, you know, this is what we're seeing, blah, blah, blah. They would call me. They would call me. I wouldn't have to make a separate appointment. And what pisses me off even more is while I was trying to make the appointment online, it's telling me, oh, please acknowledge that your insurance might not cover telehealth. Why would you be charging me for you to tell me what my results mean? I was just there 2 weeks ago. You told me I needed to get testing in 2 weeks. I got the test 2 weeks later. And now you're telling me I gotta pay you to tell me what the test that you ordered means? Like, that don't make no sense. Like, it don't make no sense. So, anyways, I couldn't make the appointment online because I'm not making an appointment a month out for you to, you know, for me to be anxious and drive myself absolutely mad, within the month. So I called them up. The person who makes the appointment, she says she's seeing the same thing, but she's going to send a message to the doctor's office and see if they can, you know, expedite an appointment, see if we could do something because, again, it don't make sense. So the doctor's office calls me. I guess the nurse calls me and she's like, yeah, it looks like her next available is a month out. And I'm like, ma'am, this is a life-altering situation that I have going on here. I would really appreciate it if you could help me get some kind of answers so I don't drive myself crazy for the next month. And she's like, yeah, let me take a look at your chart and see what, oh, okay. I do see here that she might want to talk to you because it's saying that you have to follow up. They're recommending that you follow up 8 to 12 weeks. I almost said bitch, but bitch, you are reading the exact same thing that I could read in the portal. I know I have to come back in 8 to 12 weeks. What the doctor is supposed to do is tell me how to make myself better within the 8 to 12 weeks so that when I do redo these tests, it's better. Like, you're not telling me anything new. She's like, yeah, so you don't have to come in. But I think that's what the doctor wants to tell you. I'm like, that's great, but I don't want to wait a month for her to tell me. That's already half the time. If it's 8 weeks, I'm going to have to wait a month for her to tell me what I could do to make myself better before the second round of tests. Like, that don't make no sense. So I still have to wait apparently till possibly Friday. She's going to double check. And hopefully I can just get a phone call and she could just tell me what the f is going on with me so that I can make myself healthy and stop worrying about it. But yeah, that was a long ass rant about my current medical situation. Thank you for listening. All right. Hey guys, so headed to go pick my mother-in-law up. I feel like I'm super zoomed in for whatever reason. But yeah, so headed to pick her up. Oh shit, my best friend's calling me. Hold on. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, yeah.
You do work home?
I am. I had to come pick up my. Oh fuck! Am I supposed to turn there? I have to go pick up my mother-in-law. She had eye surgery today. Yeah, so I'm gonna say I have to go.
Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I won't fight like this. Yeah. Him and her and them over there, they looking over here, they giving me a stare like I care. No. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that.
how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the flame.
Okay guys, so clearly in the bedroom. I'm trying to figure out if they're coming up here or if they're going downstairs. Anywho, yeah, so clearly in the bedroom. Lighting sucks as always, but I am about to map out my goals for next year. I'm going to take a look at this year and what I've achieved, and then, like I said, I'm just going to map out my goals and start my action plan, because it's one thing for you to like figure out what you want in life, and it's another thing to figure out how you're going to achieve it. So yeah, I like to do this. I typically, honestly, try to do this like September, October. That way I could start my prep and have a good idea of what I need to do for the next year. That way I go into the new year swinging. So yeah, I'm about to map it out, figure out what I want to do, come up with my action plan, and then depending on how I feel, I might start editing today's vlog. And if I don't feel up to it, I'm probably gonna take my sleeping gummies and take my butt to sleep.
She want me to show her some things, but right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all for this.
Don't walk away from me. Nothing if I don't have you.
So your shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been taking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights next year's looking lit. Laid up in somebody's grass. I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me. I'm seated. She wanna beat me. I'm trying to.
Hey guys, so I planned out some of my intentions, some of my goals for 2023. Yeah, that sounds so weird saying 2023. Wow, I literally had to pause like, you sure? Yeah, 2023, that's crazy. Anyways, did that, edited a little bit. Now I'm about to light my candles. I'm in my pajamas already, so I'm about to light my candles, maybe pull up Netflix, maybe watch some YouTube. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night. So I'm just going to go ahead and close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your love and support. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to the channel. Become a part of my family. Help me get to 3,500 subscribers here on YouTube. I would really, really appreciate it if you did that. So hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. All right, until tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. I will see you guys then. Bye.